Now, ito naman. Try nyo muna. Yung section natin dyan is tapered, pero hindi constant yung thickness. This is already, circular. Tapered, tapered cylindrical aluminum bar. So, essentially, our figure is parang ganito. Ayan. Parang ganyan. So, try nyo muna. Yung sa answer key pala dyan is, lagay ko na lang 0.354 mm. Yung solution dyan is just similar to the previous one. Yun nga lang, yung area magiging pi times diameter squared divided by 4. And then your diameter is parang ito lang. Yung 40 plus 2y dito, parang yan yung diameter mo dito. Check ko muna yung stream baka merong mga tanong. Hindi kasi naka-open yung YouTube. I think wala namang mga tanong since empty lang yung chat. Sagutan na lang natin yung problem. So what we have to do here is same lang kanina. Split this into two triangles, yung top saka bottom, and then we will consider a differential strip, or essentially differential element. So we can call this dx, and then yung distance na yan label natin as y, ito rin y. So we would have this triangle. Ayan. So this is y, ito naman x. Label ko na lang yan as x from left to right. Now, itong height ng triangle, this is equal to 20. Now, ito naman 30 mm. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. But meron kasing dalawang sides, this one and this one. So 10 divided by 2, this is equal to 5 mm pala. Yung height na yan, 5 mm, ito rin equal to 5 mm. So this is 5, and then the whole base is equal to 400 mm. Ayan. So by racial proportion, we would get y over x is equal to 5 pala yung height divided by 400. Now this will simplify into y is equal to, ano yung 5 over 400? Magiging 1 over 80. So 1 over 80x, ito na yung value ng y, and then the diameter at each point is equal to this length. So parang ano yan, 20 mm plus dalawang y. So if we are to draw the differential element, parang ito siya, parang ano siya tingnan, yung coin. Ayan, para siyang coin. And then this is equal to dx. Tapos yung cross-sectional area is this one. Ayan. Then yung diameter is equal to 20 plus 2y. Ayan. So 20 plus 2y, yan yung diameter. Then formula ng area ng circle is pi over 4 times diameter squared. So area pala is equal to pi over 4, then the diameter is 20 plus 2y. Substitute na lang natin agad, 2 times y, ito yung y, 1 over 80. 1 over 80x. Now you can simplify this, magiging 1 over 40, but you can just leave it as is. then kailangan naka-square yan. So the total deformation would be equal to, our force is equal to 30 kilonewtons. Now convert this into Newton. Multiply by 1000. And then we have to integrate still dx yan, yung differential element. So our limits would be along x din. Kapag dy yan, then your limits would be along y. So this is from 0 to 400 mm. Then yung L naman, it will act as dx. So galing pa rin sa PL over AE. Then our area is pi over 4 times 20 plus 2 times 1 over 80 multiplied by x. Tapos naka-square yan, diameter kasi. Then E is equal to 72 gigapascal. Also multiply this by 1000 para maging MPa. So input natin yan sa calculators natin. From 0 to 400. Then 30 times 1000 divided by pi over 4. Then 20 plus 2 times 1 over 80 multiplied by x squared, then times 72,000. So we would get 0.353677, which is approximately 0.354 mm. Ayan. So madali lang talaga yung tapered problems. As long as alam mo yung differential element mo, and then alam mo yung concept ng integration. We are just essentially summing up all the individual deformations of this differential element.